You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression, the first word here. In particular, if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from tech, stay tuned. We've got many more coming up for you. Alright, so most people say it as agentic AI, alright? But it comes from the word agent, okay? So some people do say it as agentic, or agentic, as the Americans would say, and it is referenced in some dictionaries as also a pronunciation that exists. So you can actually say both agentic AI. So if you say it that way, it's probably going to be less controversial because I think most people say it that way. But agentic AI is also correct and exists, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.